What's up guys, Michael at Dynatrac here. If you have a Jeep JK with a 30 front or a Rubicon with a 44, and chances are you've seen issues with those axles, or if you're wanting to take your ride to the next level, we have two different housings to choose from for the front. This is our conventional ProRock 44 right here. One of the main things that we see break in the Jeep JK front axles is the front tubes just bend. You'll see them plenty of times. Guys run larger tires, off-road them, even people that don't push them that hard. You'll start to see them bend. You'll start to see alignment specs get out of whack, funny tire wear. This housing will mitigate all of those issues. The core of our 44 front is our proprietary cast high clearance center section. This center section actually has more clearance than a standard stock Dana 30. The axle tubes that come on our ProRock 44s are 3-inch outside diameter and 1/2-inch wall. That's substantially larger and stronger than the factory. All of our brackets that come on the ProRock 44 are much thicker than the factory OEM ones, to where you see control arm brackets bending. All of these brackets are completely tied together, double welded, and much stronger than what you get stock. The inner Cs on the factory JK housings are a very common issue point. Our Cs are much longer, actually a little bit closer to the Dana 60 spec for strength. These Cs, paired with our axle tubes, completely transform the strength of your front 44. This will get rid of all the needs for all the gusseting, C gussets that you see many people do with the factory axles, trying to make them stronger, adding trusses, C gussets, sleeving them and everything. Running this axle housing will completely get rid of the need for all of that. Our ProRock 44 front axles for the JK are completely bolt-in ready as far as the brackets, shocks, coil springs, and steering mounting locations. When ordering your ProRock 44 housing, you have a couple different options for ball joints. You can do OEM replacements, you can do no ball joints, or you can run our Dynatrac Rebuildable Balljoints. One of the great things about the Dynatrac ProRock 44 front axle assembly is that it comes with weldable tabs for if you are running a different than OEM steering stabilizer or running hydro assist. For the Jeep JK, we offer two main ProRock 44 housings up front. We have a Rubicon replacement housing, and we have our conventional housing, which you see here. The Dynatrac Rubicon replacement housing is exactly that. It's for anybody that has a factory Jeep JK Rubicon and they have bent or want to upgrade their front axle housing. The Dynatrac Rubicon replacement housing will reuse the OEM Rubicon locker. It also reuses the OEM ring gears, and you can even reuse the OEM Rubicon axle shafts. In addition to being able to reuse the OEM internals of the Rubicon axle, you can also replace it with the ARB 35 spline and run RCVs that are direct replacements for a Jeep JK. This particular housing is our conventional 44. The internal of this is designed to use a conventional Dana 44 locker. That's going to be your Eatons, that's going to be your Yukons, that's going to be anything else that is not an OEM JK Rubicon locker or a direct replacement of. The conventional housing does still use the OEM Rubicon ring gear, so it's going to be a thick cut, high pinion, next gen 44 ring gear cut for these. The conventional 44 housing uses the aftermarket Dana 44 lockers with the Jeep JK Dana 44 Rubicon ring gear, but the conventional does not reuse the Rubicon axle shafts. We offer both chromoly axle shafts for the conventional 44 in addition to options for RCVs. Another great feature about a replacement 44 ProRock housing is you get to reuse your factory Jeep JK knuckles and brakes, or upgrade to our ProGrip brake package. If you're not wanting to reuse your factory knuckles, we do offer reed knuckles as an upgrade for those of you really wanting to take the 44 to the next level. One of the great things about the Dynatrac ProRock 44 is you can order it many different ways to suit your needs. You can get the Rubicon replacement housing, or you can do a fully outfitted conventional 44 with the locker, gear ratio of your choice. You can run OEM or Dynatrac ball joints, run OEM or reed knuckles complete with shafts, chromoly or RCV. You can get them fully assembled, shipped straight to your door, bolt-in ready. Not only does the Dynatrac ProRock 44 come completely bolt-in ready for your track bar, for your control arms, for your coil springs and shocks, the steering also from your Jeep JK will transfer directly over to this axle. All of our ProRock 44 axle assemblies, whether fully assembled or as just a bare housing, do come with our Dynatrac nodular iron diff cover. If you have any questions on how to spec out your Dynatrac ProRock 44, Give us a call or reach us at sales@dynatrac.com.